Man, oh man. This weather's so bipolar. One minute it's like really sunny, and now it's like super cloudy. Yeah. So if you guys didn't know, March 12th is my birthday, and my buddy Marcus, I think he's been in a video before. Oh yeah, I reviewed his Challenger. Okay, I reviewed his Dodge Challenger. So I had a gift since March that he has bought me from Chemical Guys. He told me what it was, but I don't think he ever sent me a picture of what it was. But as soon as I saw it, my jaw like dropped. Here it is. It is their detailing bag, and I think when you buy these bags, it just comes with the bag. But he went all out instead of just getting me a bag. Let me open it up. He went out and bought me a pack of rags. He bought me some glass cleaner. He bought me some trim and protectant shine. He bought me some snow foam auto wash, which I will probably be using this at my girlfriend's since I have a gravel driveway. As soon as I clean my car and go out there, it'll be caked in dirt again. But this is definitely one thing I was going to buy. Spray on wax blazing banana, so I'm assuming this smells like banana. Have quick detailer. And I forgot what the sponge is for. If you guys, I may be stupid, but I have a feeling it's like for putting on like a wax or something. If I'm wrong, don't quote me on that. And we got a Chemical Guys Glen Burnie, Maryland sticker, which is around where he lives. So that's pretty neat. And actually has an extra front 2 pockets, which is a lot better, so I can actually put more stuff in it. And this is my old detailing box. It took up almost all the trunk space. So that will be gone. I'm not going to be able to fit everything in the bag, but I'm going to fit what I need. I don't even use half that stuff. But and I also have my rags. I have my dirty rags, I have my clean rags, so that's all organized. And some clean rags can go in here too, like that pack. So yeah, this is actually pretty neat. So I'm going to go ahead and organize this and get my trunk all cleaned up, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I got the bag set to the way I want it. I put some of this stuff out that I did not need, like the actual foam wash stuff. But I put this in there, the quick detailer, put some tire shine in there, kept the spray on wax for when I guess for want that little bit of extra shine. And we also got the glass cleaner. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. I hate that. Got the trim shine, and we got the interior cleaner. Got my giant drying towel and the other rags I put in there. This opens up, and I realized that this opens up to the same pocket. So I guess you can pull the rags out of there. So yeah, that's pretty perfect. It fits everything in that neat little bag, and it shuts perfectly. It may not look like it will. Well, I gotta turn that over first. Right now it will for sure. Go ahead and close it right up. Get that out of the way, of course. And bam. Perfect, all compact in this little bag. Not too heavy. And bam. Perfect. Now that clears out a lot of space. And my trunk is somewhat organized, and yes, that's taking up a lot of space, but that doesn't stay in there. That's for a little surprise that's about to happen here in a bit. But first, before we do anything else, I'm going to go grab some lunch and side, of course. And then we're going to head out to this one spot and show you what that can do. And we got mail. We got a second one from Teespring too. I was supposed to be getting one, but I ordered this shirt over 2 months ago. So I think what they did was it got lost while shipping. So let's see what else is sending extra. Oh, so they did send 2. Guys, if you have not gotten your merch yet, you can get Reaper GT. This is the retro style Reaper GT logo. And as you saw in my other videos, I don't have a picture of it right now. Right now the shirt's in the wash. But I have another shirt that has just a 2-valve one. I'll put the design right here. So I have 2 designs up right now. I'll have 2 more designs come out fairly soon. I'm going to try to create up. I'm going to be coming out with more than just shirts. Probably gonna get some hats, and you know what else. I don't know how the hats will turn out, but we'll see. I'm gonna try a bunch of new things on there. Even make phone cases. So I may even get myself one of those. Alrighty, let's try the new shirt out. Bam, that looks nice, and it's extra comfortable too. And it actually feels like it's breathable. That's actually pretty decent. And guys, when you get yours, if you order one, if it smells like vinegar, that's completely normal. I think they use vinegar or something like that when you put on the when you stamp on the logo. But guys, you can either spray a lot of cologne on it, or you can wash it before you put it on. But it's gonna smell like vinegar when you open it. That's fine, that's normal, so don't get sketched out. Alrighty guys, let's get that cold start inside the garage. Alrighty guys, gonna roll out this one spot. We've been there a few times, right? We taught my sister how to drive clutch, and I forgot where else. I think I filmed one of my intros there too. But yeah, we're gonna head out to that road. Alrighty guys, we are at the spot, and I swear to God, I love this spot. But I think eventually once all these business parks open up, and I think it's gonna be too busy to work with, so I'm trying to enjoy it while it's empty. I mean, there's construction workers down there, but for now it's pretty much empty, very few cars in and out, so it's perfect for filming really. And yeah, going to poppity pop the trunk. Pop. And there's the big surprise. Okay, you got 5 seconds to guess on what this could be. Guess in the comments before I open this, and don't cheat, okay? Got it? Okay, done. Voila. Ow. But yeah, I've had this drone for a few months. I was gonna make a video on it, but the first week I had it, I crashed it and broke it. So finally got it fixed after 2 or 3 months later after fixing it, or before fixing it. I just fixed it yesterday. So she's all fixed up and ready to fly again. Unfortunately, I only have one micro SD card. The other one got lost, so I'm going to have to take this SD card out, put it in the drone. So the next footage you see is drone footage. So unfortunate guys, trust me, you'll see a lot of this drone on this channel. So subscribe if you haven't yet. If you love drone footage and cinematics, this is a place for you, especially car stuff too. So, but yeah, enjoy this drone footage.